My name is Isabella Vadovicki, and I will be talking about presentation styles and presentation personalities. As a little kid, I remember reading the book Mr. Happy with, all the different characters, Mr. Grumpy, Mr. Messy, and of course, Miss Sunshine. Everyone has a trait or a core personality that is more apparent than the rest, and a study by Naris Analytics Limited, whom have now created an entire company based on their study, believes that it boils down to only 16 personalities. This is a personality test that is commonly used in the work and school environment. Each of these personalities are coded with 4 letters, such as INFP, the mediator, ESFJ, the consultant, ISFP, the adventurer, or ISFJ, the defender, which is my own trait personally. So how would you describe yourself? Are you an analyst, a diplomat, a sentinel, or are you an explorer? All this also boils down to how you present and what your personality style is. They all coincide. So, for example, the first one is a green. Green presenters are known for their enthusiasm, to have strong body language, being non-judgmental, and being able to easily convey their own emotions. However, green presenters often tend to get off track, lack details, misplace their enthusiasm, and can be very personal when they have rejection. So another one is blue. I myself am a blue presenter, and by learning my presentation style, I have learned what to focus on and what to change to better myself and to keep improving as a presenter. Blue presenters are known to be rational, to have well-structured and intellectual presentations, and tend to have very deep content. The concern about a blue presenter, though, is they tend to lack movement and warmth. They often act clinical, and it's best for a blue presenter not to present on subjects that require high emotion or for it to be taken in a very delicate manner. Blue presenters also make things more complicated than they need to be. So yellow is the third one. Yellow presenters are often considered stewards of society. They're very informative, they follow the rules, they're respectful of others and traditions, and they're also great at expressing their genuine concern of the subject that they are presenting on. But do not place a yellow presenter in front of a hostile audience. These presenters take everything very personally, and they will shrink up when faced with hostility. They're very stubborn in their own ways and are better at doing an informing subject rather than a persuading subject. So the last one is red. These presenters are often very creative in the ways they present their subject. A red presenter is best faced with a controversial subject because they are the least intimidated and welcome feedback often. The spontaneity of red presenters, however, can hinder their presentation. This can cause these presenters to get off topic or change their presentation last minute. Eye contact is a strength of these presenters, but they need to work on focusing not only on just a small amount of the audience, but allow their eyes to wander. So no matter what your personality type is when it comes to presenting, you always have your positives and your negatives. But when you discover what personality type is yours, it makes it easier for you to work on becoming a stronger presenter. Thank you.